Good day, class. Again, welcome to Advanced Database System course. And this is your instructor, Ms. Marjorie Bascones. And for today's topic, I'm going to teach you how to create a crystal report. Here, as you can see in my form, yung form 1, I'm not going to create another project, but I'm going to use the supermarket project that we've had or that we've made earlier dun sa mga nauna nating topic, and then I'm just going to add a new form for my crystal report. So just follow what I'm going to do. So here, yung sa supermarket, right click and then click this one, yung add, and then add new item. So we're going to add a new form. Just choose this one, form Windows form, and then click the add button. So after that, you will see that the form 2 is empty because wala pa akong ina-add. And here sa form 1, babalikan ko lang to. Kung mapapansin nyo, marami na akong nakalagay dito sa form 1 ko. Dahil I perform the yung sa products table. So, I perform it para makita nyo kung ano dapat yung output ng products at saka yung categories. Run it. Run ko na lang yung program para makita nyo. So, there it is. Sa categories, this one is for categories table. And I inputted lahat ng data na nandoon sa activity number 2. And then here, yung products ID, product name, yan yung mga nakapaloob naman doon sa products table sa activity 2 natin. And then, I even inputted this, product ID 11, queso, and then so on. Alright, so let's go back to form 2. So, ito na yung ating main concern ngayon, yung pag-create ng crystal report. And by the way, I'm expecting you guys na na-install nyo na yung crystal report. Diba may pinasa akong zip ata yun. Yung zip na installer. So, i-download nyo lang yun and then install nyo lang. Sunod-sunod lang yun. Wala namang ibang gagalawin doon. And then, antayin nyo lang hanggat sa ma-install yung crystal report. Ngayon, paano nyo malalaman na na-install nyo ng maayos yung crystal report? So, here in toolbox, sa toolbox window, dapat makikita nyo sa baba, meron na siyang reporting like this one. Meron siyang tools for reporting. So, ayan na yung gagamitin natin ngayon. So, select this one, yung Crystal Report Viewer. Yung may double click it na lang para mag-dock siya dito sa Form 2. Then, after that, you will see this little arrow. Click this one. And then, sa panel view, gawin natin siyang none. Yan. Para makita nyo ng buo kung ano yung paper ng Crystal Report. Parang bond paper lang naman yan. And you will see that later. And then, after this one, let's create a new Crystal Report. Now, here in this section, you may specify the names that you want to put on your report. So, I'm going to just copy this one. Yan. Okay na yan. And then, let's just click OK. Right, so after that, Crystal Reports Gallery windows would appear. Let's just choose this one as a blank report. So, after neto, mag-a-appear yung Crystal Report as a blank report. Understood na? And then, let's just click OK. Yan. So, it's a blank report nga kung tawagin. And in this section, dito sa Crystal Report natin, you can see 5 sections. Report header, page header, details, report footer, then page footer. So, yan. Dito guys, dito nyo pwedeng pwedeng lagyan ng design yung inyong main report or yung report nyo. And then, kung mapapansin nyo dito sa baba, meron siyang main report at saka main report preview. Pag kinlik nyo tong main report preview, dyan nyo makikita kung ano ba yung output na nandito sa inyong main report. Okay? So, let's add a text muna using this text object. Yan, lalagay ko na lang yung super market report. And of course, pwede nyo i-customize yung laki niya. Yan. And also, yung font size. This one. Here. You can customize your font name and then yung font size niya. So, gawin na lang natin 14. Right? And then, yung resize natin. Right. So, supermarket report. So, kung gusto niyo makita yung preview, yan, click niyo lang yung preview and this would be your main report preview. Okay, balik na tayo sa main report. So, dito, kung mapapansin niyo, meron kayong report header, tapos page header, pwede niyo mailipat yan dito sa page header. Yan. So, I'm going to just put it here sa report header. And then, example, pinagawa kayo ng report na kasama yung date. So, dito sa Field Explorer, may kita nyo yung special fields. Click nyo lang yung plus button na maliit. And then, ayan, meron kayong mga iba't ibang special fields. And then, you may choose this data date. Yan, ilagay natin siya dito sa section 2. Ayan. So, ganyan yung nakalagay sa kanya, data date, no? Hindi yung pinaka-date talaga. Saan nyo makikita yung output niyan? Again, dito sa preview. Yan, di ba? January 8, 2021. Okay? So, dito, sa details naman, dito nyo pwedeng ilagay kung ano yung laman ng nasa ating SQL Server. So, sa SQL Server, we have 2 tables. Pwede nyo yan i-include naman dito sa Crystal Report natin. And para magawa yan, again, punta ulit tayo sa Field Explorer. And here, in Database Field, select nyo lang yan kung hindi pa nakaselect. And then, right-click. And then, select this one, Database Expert. So, wala pa kayong mapapansin dyan, no? Wala pang naka-add. Yan. So, to add a connection, yan, click lang natin yung plus button ng create new connection and then choose this one, yung OLEDB or OLEDB ADO. Click nyo lang yung plus button or double click nyo yun. And then, let's choose this one. Microsoft OLEDB provider for SQL Server, then click next. And then after that, yung pangalan ng server natin, copy-paste lang natin. Wait, disconnect muna, and then connect. Yan. Copy-paste. And then, check this, integrated security. After that, choose the database you want to add. So, gagamitin natin yung supermarket, of course. And then, click next. Or finish. Finish naman na yun. Okay. So, yung supermarket na yan, makikita nyo rin yan dito sa My Connections dito sa taas. Kasi nakakonect na tayo kay server, sa ating server. Parehas lang naman yan. So, anyway, click nyo yung plus sign ng supermarket. And then, yung DBO, yung plus sign. And then, choose the tables that you want to add. I'm going to just add the 2. Pwedeng pang maramihan naman yan. Kung gusto niyo isahan lang. And then kung dalawa. Okay lang yan. And then click OK. And then this one. Pag dalawa or marami, nagkakaroon ng ganito. Pero kapag isa lang, balik tayo ha. Balik natin. Or nga pala, dito nyo ilalagay yon. Ayan. So, yan. Pag nilagay nyo yung isa, yan. Diba? Napunta agad dyan. Pero, kung gusto nyo mag-add, Okay, database expert ulit. Tapos, add nyo itong nasa DBO, si product. Add nyo lang yan. Tapos, click OK. O, yan. Okay. Kapag dalawa kasi nagkakaroon na ng ganun. Parang yung link. Ililink niya daw. Na-identify niya kung ano yung mga fields na merong linking. Yung mga nakakapag-link. Yung pwede niyang gawing yung magkaparehas na field. Yun na lang, para mas madaling explanation. Alam nyo naman na yun, yung foreign key at saka yung primary key. Okay, anyway, let's proceed. So, dito sa database fields, click nyo yung plus button, and then, halimbawa, gusto kong ilagay yung fields ni categories. So, ilalagay ko yung category ID, category name, at saka yung description. Alright? So, ayan. Ayusin ko lang muna yung design niya. Pwede nyo itong ayan, i-adjust. Pwede nyo rin i-select lahat. Ay, isa lang yung na-select. Anyway. Yan, si category ID. And then, yung category name. Murong na lang natin tong description. Alright. And then, line object. I want to add this one. Ay, isa pa. And then, line object. Tapos, adjust ko lang ito. Hindi, okay na yan. Line object. Or ilipat ko na lang sa baba pa na. Adjust ko lang. So, ito yung laki. Alright, sige, tingnan ko muna kung ano yung hindi nakita yung this one. Pwede nyo itong yan. Tawag nyo. Tanggalin yung underline. Okay, yan. Category name. Yun. Kasi isa naman ito isa. Yung line. Ilan mo. Tapos line agad. Bakit hindi makita yung line? Yun. Pwede nyo na rin naman tanggalin na lang to. Pangitignan. Okay. And then, ito. Yung description hindi pala pantay. Yung category, pantay natin. Ay, pumantay. Pwede na yan. Tapos ito, kung gusto niyo siyang parang igitna, yung center position, align center. Ayan, makikita nyo sa output, naka-center siya, tapos naka-left naman itong mga. Right. So, ayan. Ayan na yung dapat yung magiging itsura ng ating report. Yung sa report natin dito sa form 2. Ngayon, paano naman natin yan ilalagay dito sa form 2? Ayan, nawala, close lang natin siya. And then, save. Back tayo kay form 2. And close mo ulit. Save. And then, sa form 2. Ayan. And, kung para makita nyo i-run natin yan. Ilagay lang natin dito sa, yan, start from form 2. Sana hindi mag-error. Ayun. So, ayan. Ganyan yung itsura ng ating crystal report. So, yan guys. Yan na yung end of our topic. If you have questions, you may free to ask me on Messenger or dun sa GC natin. I hope you guys may natutunan kayo sa database. Yan, para pagdating ng 4th year nyo, kung sakasakaling magkakaroon kayo ng database sa magiging project nyo, ayan, pwede kayong gumawa ng report using this SQL report kasi sa business industry talagang ginagamit yung crystal report. So that's the end of our topic. I hope you guys enjoy my subject. Goodbye and God bless.